Namaste everyone, this is Suchi. The technology keeps on changing and we keep on adopting that technology. But with the changing technology, are we really changing our mindset? Because with the changing situations and the scenario, we are trying to fit in with the different societal norms that are coming into picture. But is this fit in helping really into your life? Is it not creating any negative impact into you? When you're trying to fit in, you try to create a comparison of yourself with other person. And in that comparison, slowly, gradually, you try to create a grudge and insecurity within yourself. And this grudge and insecurity that you create inside yourself, you're trying to pass it out on others by blowing it up and shaming others. And in this shaming process, which can be done either publicly, privately, or in social media, you are not only creating negative consequences in other person's life, but also deflating the confidence of the other person. Today I am going to talk to you about the shaming that one person does to oneself, that is self-shaming. When you are self-shaming, you are trying to compare yourself with different kind of people. And in the process of this comparison, you start thinking that I am not good enough. And in this self-shaming process, when you say I am not fat, I am too thin, I don't have good hair, I don't have good looks or personality, I don't speak well, or different levels of things that you say to yourself to shame yourself. This empowering sentences that you speak to yourself is creating a very bad impact into your life. It is stopping you to achieve something that you can. Now, when it is now the time that you have to identify something that is stopping you to achieve something that you really are, something which is stopping you to accept as an individual and creating a bad impact into your life. Once you identify this thing, it is the most courageous thing that you do into your life. After accepting that this is the wrong sentence or the negative sentence that I am speaking to myself. So today I am going to help you with one solution that you can use to gradually overcome this self-shaming process. So the first step towards this is identify a person with whom you can trust and share this. A person who can support you by understanding your strengths as well as your struggles. This person will help you to boost and help you to overcome this shaming process that you're doing to yourself. The person whom you want to share this must understand and must lead you. Someone who has earned the right to hear you. Once you identify such kind of person, take another step of courage to build a connection with that person and sharing this with this person. This process of acceptance and sharing will help you deeply to come out of this. In the process of saying that I am enough. So in the next video, I'll be sharing with you another process, another step which you can take to help yourself overcome this shaming. Till then, bye-bye.